In this guide, I'm going to show you how to get the Demon Sprite in Fortnite. Intro. Now, first things first, you do need to start a battle royale or zero build match, and you need to search for sprites while exploring and opening chests. Now, of course, this Demon Sprite is going to be an epic rarity sprite, so that is something to keep in mind. It is going to be a little bit more rare, and it might take you a few more matches to find one, but essentially, you really just need to explore chests. Now, I will say Frosted Flats and this entire area is pretty good. There's a lot of different sprite chests in this area, but Frosted Flats specifically does have a sprite, vault, which does have a higher chance of giving you better rarity sprites. But essentially, once you get the Demon Sprite, and there's no specific method that you can use, you essentially just need to equip it, take it to an extraction site, or use a portable extractor and successfully extract it to permanently add the Demon Sprite to your sprite collection. And after that, you can of course summon it in future matches using Sprite Dust. But as soon as you have it equipped in future matches, the Demon Sprite will give you some health and shield whenever you do eliminate an opponent. It is pretty useful. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.